This is an exam application tutorial on the topic of genetic engineering. The question is for 6 marks, evaluate the Human Genome Project. There's only one way to interpret this question. So the translation is, list the arguments in favour of and against the Human Genome Project. You only need 3 of each really to cover the 6 marks. So just have a sentence starter to set you up on this question. The advantages of the Human Genome Project are, and then it's just a matter of listing them. We can use the information to predict and prevent disease, 1 mark. We can develop new and better medicines. And we can use the knowledge to make improvements in forensic science. That covers 3 strong arguments for and will get you half marks. The idea is if you know someone's genetic makeup, you know what diseases and problems they are more susceptible to, so you can make medicines that are better suited to the needs of the individual. You can also take steps to prevent issues arising if you know someone is more prone to a certain problem. And obviously, if we know someone's genetic history, if it's on file, if we know their makeup, it's much easier to basically interpret forensic science data to track down a person, for example, from their blood or a sample of DNA. But now we need to look at arguments against. So I'll just say, however, that flips it from advantages to disadvantages. Knowing you are likely to develop a genetic disorder can increase stress levels. For example, if you knew you were more likely to develop some sort of genetic disease at some stage in your life, it could be quite stressful. And perhaps you'd enjoy your life more not knowing that information. Employers could discriminate against you. For example, they might opt against you, not choosing you for a promotion. If employers, for example, thought you might take time off because you are more likely to develop a genetic disorder, well, it may prevent them from investing time and money in you, and that obviously would be discriminating. Similarly, insurers could discriminate against you. If they knew that you were more likely to get a genetic disease, then the cost of your life insurance could go up as well. So these are some of the strongest arguments for and against. 3 for, 3 against. If you did this, you would get 6 marks. Remember to pay attention to spelling and grammar as well.